A business idea doesn't make you money. A built business makes you the money. This is where most people get stuck. They find business ideas, they watch business tips, they search the internet on how to start a small business, but they never build anything. The money is not made at the idea stage. The money is made at the build stage. When the idea becomes a product, an offer, a website, a video, a service, or some kind of software system. The problem? More ideas do not equal more money. Most videos give you a list, 5 business ideas, 10 business ideas, 50 business ideas. That can help, but it also creates a trap. You start collecting ideas instead of building one. Then you say, I need a website. I need videos, I need a logo, I need packaging, I need social media, I need an app, I need content. Then the business idea sits there. The problem is not that you need more business ideas. The problem is that you need a way to build the ideas you already have. Got to get them unstuck from your head. Here is the shift. Stop asking, how do I learn every skill? Start asking, who can help me build faster? If you're trying to make money online, start a business, or build a real business, you cannot become every skill at once, so stop trying. That is why I wrote Hire Freelancers, Build Faster. Your role is to define what needs to be built. The freelancer's job is to help bring that idea to life. That's the process, in a nutshell. Step 1, pick one business idea. Not 10, not 50, just pick one. Watching business idea videos feels productive, but collecting ideas is not the same as building the business. It could be a product, a service, a digital download, a local service, a home business, an online business. Pick one that you can explain clearly to the freelancer. Business tip: if you can't explain your business idea in one sentence, you are not ready to hire anyone yet. Figure that out. Step 2. You want to validate demand. Be sure to validate demand before you spend any money. Do people want this? Are they already buying something like this? Are they complaining about a problem? Are there comment reviews, videos, products, or searches providing demand? If you hire a great freelancer to build the wrong thing, you just waste money faster. Search YouTube, search Amazon, search Google, bad reviews, good reviews, all reviews, read the comments. Look for pain, look for demand, look for people already spending money. Step 3, break the idea into tasks. A business idea is too big to hand to a freelancer. A task is something you can hire for. Logo, a website, landing page, product images, video editing, packaging, social media content, email setup, sales pages, research. The beginner tries to become every skill in building their business, but a true business builder organizes their skills. Step 4, hire the skill. Do not post, I need help with my business. That's too vague. Post one clear task with one clear outcome, and tell the freelancer what you need built, what the final result should look like, what examples you like, what files you have, what deadlines matter, and what you will use it for. Start small. Don't give your entire business to a stranger. Just give them one task. Test communications, test speed, test quality. Also make sure you understand source files, ownership, platform rules, and what you need to keep when the project is done. Step 5, build, test, and improve. This is where your business starts becoming real. Not when you think about it, not when you watch another video. It becomes real when something gets built. Your first version does not need to be perfect. It needs to exist. Once it exists, then you can prove it. Kind of like the 80-20 rule. Get it 80% done, and then spend the time fixing the rest of the 20%. This gives you a better path to make money online, start a small business, or build something that you can grow. You're not guessing forever. You're building, you're testing, you're learning, and you're improving. The market does not reward the person with the most ideas. It rewards the person who builds the most valuable thing. That is why I wrote Hire Freelancers, Build Faster. I wrote it for people who have business ideas, but do not want to spend years trying to learn every skill before they start. The book walks you through how to prepare your project, write better freelancer posts, communicate clearly, protect your work through IP agreements, non-disclosure agreements, filter freelancers, and build a repeatable system. I have used freelancers for over 20 years, building software, designs, marketing, graphics, product projects. The big lesson is simple. Your role is to design and manage, not do everything yourself. Before you search for another business idea, answer these 3 questions. What needs to be built? What skills do I need or to hire for? Who can build it faster than me and do it even more professionally? Business ideas are everywhere. The real advantage is learning how to build one. Stop collecting ideas and start building one. If you want help building faster with freelancers, get my book, Hire Freelancers, Build Faster, and we'll see you in the next video.